Prototype Electronics provides a complete electronic manufacturing service from our brand new comprehensive facilities situated in Dorchester in the south of England. Our specialist area is in the prototyping and development of high-quality low to medium volume PCB products to precise customer specification. We offer a multitude of operations and services. Design. Our highly knowledgeable personnel have much experience in many design-related issues, making the difference in producing successful products. We work closely with the design house for designs that are still at the pre-board layout stage. Procurement. We offer a complete or tailored procurement service. We source the components, saving our customers delivery schedule, stock management concerns. Our procurement service means that the customer not only benefits from our network of trusted and reliable suppliers, but also ensures that the process runs smoothly and completed products are delivered on time. All components used by us are fully traceable via our MRP system through our supply chain and manufacturing processes to ensure all items can be tracked back to source if required. Extensive surface mount and through-hole assembly facilities enable us to offer a capacity of over 25,000 placements per hour from 0201 to fine-pitch BGA's QFN devices. Our lower volume assembly work is hand-soldered by our dedicated and skilled workforce, with higher volumes being put through our Blundell CMS 400 wave machine. Final box build and cable assembly service provides our customers with a final product assembly service from simple enclosures to complex multifaceted units comprising of PCBs, cables and metalwork, all of which has been fully tested to our customer requirements. Inspection and testing is carried out by our AOI final inspection machine, utilizing automated visual inspection of PCBs. This is complemented with manual examination using high magnification microscopes and magnifiers. Test. We can offer bespoke ICT test or in-process testing, plus post-assembly black box functional testing as per customer request. Prototype Electronics offers a full project support solution, which includes a highly responsive and rapid turnaround service from standard 4 weeks down to 24 hours. As an ISO 9001-2008 approved supplier, we always strive to improve processes and to ensure high quality standards are maintained throughout all stages of production. We always welcome audits. So, for ready-to-use, fully tested and exceptionally manufactured products delivered on time and at competitive prices, contact Prototype Electronics today.